And the beauty with a tool like this, as you can see, is it already starts to suggest stuff for me based on the topic. So as you can see here, we have local movers, homeowners, first-time movers. So I'm going to pick these, and I then have the opportunity to add 7 more. In the interest of time, I will not. But of course, if you're creating a professional blog, you want to maximize all that. So we're going to click next here. Now it asks, what is the outline of your post? Well, I am not the expert. I don't know what the outline is. That's the beauty of using an AI tool. So I'm going to tell it to generate the response here so we can see. And as you can see here, it's generating it. I have how many? 7. I have 7 bullet points to work with. And this is where I could start to copy and paste this in an email, send it to a client and go, does this work for you? Is this what you're looking for? And why is this unique? I am not the expert. I don't know anything about moving. So the AI tool knows a lot more about moving and can then suggest stuff for me. Now, if I'm not satisfied with this, I could simply regenerate the response. But in the interest of time, we're going to move on. Now, when I go to next, as you can see, it says add more information here. And this is where we're going to get a little bit more strategic. I'm actually going to put on my doctor hat right here for this one. So we're going to add more information because now we're going into the strategy mode. And as you can see, it's asking for keywords. The beauty again is it has suggestions for us. As you can see, local moving tips, choosing a moving company, packing hacks. So again, I could then go into Google, look at the top keywords that people are looking for, and then add them in here as well. That also lets you know stuff that we could do. Now, I can also go in here. Now that we know these are the keywords, I'll go here, and then these are the top items that people are searching for. I'm just going to copy this and then go back into the AI tool and then add it as a keyword, add as additional keywords. And as you can see here, we have all that there, and I'm going to click next. Now I get the opportunity again to add more information. So in this instance, we're going to add more information. And now the title, what should the title be? I don't know. I'm going to go with one of the recommendations. So it says navigating your local moving guide, mastering the art of moving locally. As you can see, great titles here. So I'm just going to pick the first one and then add more information as well. And here is the meta description. So it's asking for the meta description. What do I do? Again, generate the response. And that's the meta I could simply copy and paste and put in the blog.